Starring.
Torres.
Guys, come on. I can't read it. There we go. Just drop it.
Go on. Hi, Cupcake.
Hey, Cindy.
It's a beautiful day for nailing someone in the head with
Yeah,
a
it is. How about I nail Chris right there?
Go for it.
Okay.
Run away to the bench.
Gee golly, what time is it? Hey guys! Did anybody hit me in the head with the soda can? And then run off?
Are you okay, Trish? Do you need
Yeah.
help?
And,
Okay?
yeah, and are you guys still going steady?
Yes, we are.
Of course.
Okay.
Here, just nail him again. The end. Someone's calling me.
How do I stop?
Stop it.